This video is going to showcase how you can import or create custom themes in Unreal Engine. If you prefer reading, there is an article called How to Import and Create Custom Themes in Unreal Engine on our website. You can find a link to it in the video description. To import or add a custom theme, what you want to do is you want to go to Edit, go down to Editor Preferences, and in here you want to go under Appearance, and then under Active Theme, you can change between your different themes. You can edit an existing theme. It doesn't work on the default one. You can then also duplicate a theme and edit it. You can export, import, and remove a theme. If I press this button to edit the theme, I can go and change the background here, and it changes in real time. And then if I want to save this, just type in Elias wonderful theme, and then go and press save. It looks pretty bad, so I'm going to go and press this remove button, remove it. To import a theme, I'm going to press this button and go to my files and import a theme. And there you go. All the themes you import is under C, user, your username, app data, then local, Unreal Engine, slate, themes, and here you have all your themes. Now, one of the problems that we have is that the grid doesn't match our theme. As you can see now, this is still the normal standard gray color. And if you want to change this, it's actually quite easy to do. All we have to do is to open the content drawer, create a new material. Let's call this grid material. Put it up. Change the material domain to be user interface. And we want to add a constant 3 vector. Plug it into the final color. And then what we want to do is we can just grab one of the colors from in here. And I think this darker one is pretty much fine. We want to apply this, save. And then back in Edit, Editor Preferences, all the way down here, we can change the background brush. And we want to change this to be our grid material. And there you go. And if we now look at the grid, you can see that we have a green color matching the theme. Now these lines are a bit too harsh for me. So what I can do is I can actually change them and make the opacity lower. So by just changing this opacity, you can see that the grid becomes a bit more neutral and better. I hope this was helpful. Now all of the themes that you see here are completely free, and you can get them on our website. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe and like the video. We post new things all the time. Also, feel free to check out our website. There is a bunch of stuff on there. You have free articles, guides, tutorials, and a bunch of other cool stuff. So I'll see you there. There's a link to it in the video description.